and welcome back, or welcome to the channel. I'm Ann, and this is Acrylic Art by Bo and Ann. Today I am going to attempt a bloom transfer. This is my paint consistency chart. Here is my cake lifter. Here is the substrate that I am going to make the bloom on. I'm going to take my cake lifter, scoop it up, and transfer it onto a ceramic tile, like this. My colors are Amsterdam Lamp Black. These are my bloom recipe. Then we have Liquitex Basics Cadmium Red Medium Hue. And then we have Artist's Loft Old Gold. My cell activator is Amsterdam Pearl White. My paints are mixed with Behr Dynasty and Polyurethane, Varathane triple thick varnish. My trace is about a 3-second trace. I hope you can see it on this. 1, 2, 3, and it disappears. Excuse me. Make a circle. 1, 2, 3, and it disappears. My pillow paint is Glidden Premium. We're going to check. We're going to do a drip test. Make sure they are all the same consistency. And it seems we're pretty good. I will list everything down in the description box below. So, let's get started. my hair dryer. It'll be on low and cool. I may switch over to my mini blower. Well, that didn't turn out the way I planned. But let's just give it a second. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to bring in my pile. Air bubble. Never torch house paint. I'm going to put some pillow paint onto my lifter here. not as I expected, but let's see how it turns out. Give it a spin. Excuse me. None of my paint goes to waste. More to come off this side. Okay, that came off. Good. Was it what I was expecting? No, not at all. Am I mad? No. Again, not at all. I am still learning this technique. This was my first go at it with the proper recipe. So, okay. Let's see. Did I get enough paint off? I'll put my arm in the paint. Yes. It's only the tip of, not even the tip of the skewer. So, what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share, and if you like, hype my channel or hype the video. It's a new feature on YouTube. So I want to thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Please stay tuned. I will do a flyover and wait for the dry results. Again, thank you all so much for watching. Take care. Bye.